I'm telling you, you have to let me go!
Oh, don't worry. 4 against 1. This will be over fast.
Maybe not so fast! Thank God. My news team. Hey! What?
Oh, boy.
What?
Sorry. Blooper reel.
Oh.
We are not pipe... What kind of bitches?
Pipe hitting.
Pipe hitting?
In the back, cooking up chitlins. Big old titties. This is how I rock in, though.
So how many beats at the top? Like 4, 5?
Yeah, you can do maybe 1,000.
Can being struck by lightning help you lose weight? The answer... Let me try that again.
China could dominate the world economy in the next decade. Confucius say, I do not think this story had much validity. I don't think we're going to use that one.
Good Lord. Clear the scent.
I figure after it's been in a deep fryer, it's no longer human. What do they do in general with dead cats? Is there one... You figure there's one place they dispose of dead cats, or is there a service? That'd be a good public service.
Brian, you don't have to listen to him. Sorry.
You know what they call cats? Chicken of the freeway underpass. If you bread it and deep fry it, Fantana, it all tastes the same. Name a meat.
A meat? Name a meat?
Any meat.
Chicken. How about that?
Brian, I read somewhere, and tell me if this is true, that some of the silicone breast implants were filled with taco meat.
I'm so sorry. I don't know the specifics, but I do know they are still testing with all sorts of material. Pudding, whipped cream,
Tuna fish.
what else did I hear? I've learned so... nickels.
Okay, if you wanted a heavier breast.
A heavier, and it's... They're still running tests, but the problem they're running into is that now whenever a woman runs... Sorry.
It wouldn't be a battle without Jill Jansen and Wendy Van Peebles from Entertainment News. Not Wendy Van Peebles, is it?
Give it a rest, eh?
You give it a rest. You hill shit.
Without... What the hell's my name?
Scott Riley.
Shit, Scott Riley. There's not gonna be a fight without Ron... What's my name? My name is not Ron.
Scott Riles.
Scott Riles. And the incredibly polite Canadian fart. Yeah!
6 years ago, I jumped out from behind that column and surprised a window washer who fell to his death. Technically, it wasn't my fault. But I think about it.
Sorry. Okay. Okay. Okay, now it just got to me. Yes, finally got to me. Okay, sorry. Okay.
I can speak like I'm underwater. Sorry.
I'm gonna say
Okay. Okay, sorry.
My favorite psychologist is Stacy Peralta. That guy does stuff that blows my mind.
You're talking about skateboarding.
Fuck you.
All the things you just described.
Some of you will get timeshares and ski condos together.
What the hell is a ski condo?
Oh my God, he's a were-hyena.
Tonight I begin part 1 of my 11-part series of the power and mystery of the human vagina. This series will be a tasteful look at just what makes a vagina tick, as well as a look at the 50 greatest vaginas of the 20th century. Are you all right, Ron? This was an explosive piece. And
it's my job as his father to make sure he gets away from the clutches of some hippy-dippy wackadoodle who's laying on top of my wife, grunting and moaning.
Hey.
Sorry. 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 What? He came home, and for days, all you could hear was him from his room going, I love cock! I love cock! I love fighting cock!
He still had the fever. He had the taste of cockfighting. What I'm going through now is 100 times worse than what the Elephant Man went through. Do I amuse you?
Let's try it again.
Do my grotesque features amuse you?
You scream, I'm a human being.
I'm a human being! I'm a human being!
I like to cunt punt cowboys. I'll ride your mustache all the way to hell.
You should say I like to cut.
Hey, hey, hey! You eat pussy? You better. You're gonna. You're gonna.
So, Will, you can just do reactions. You can kind of nod your head to them. You okay? You get stuff in your eye? Or...
No, I'm just, this is just so emotional for me.
Cut.